Good morning. I'm getting ready to have a hot tea and I'm going to add some saffron. Saffron, as you may or may not know, has incredible medicinal properties. This saffron is the highest quality, longest threads that we've ever come across. This comes from Spain. Chef Depot has an exclusive packaging on the saffron and great prices, probably the lowest prices you can find on the internet. This one also comes from Spain. It's just a little gift foil pack. Some people prefer the foil pack. These are all sealed. These are exactly 1 ounce, really high quality saffron. So I'm going to brew a little tea, and I'm using this white peony tea here and a little tea infuser. I'll be right back. Okay, tea and infuser go in the cup. A little bit of boiling hot water. I love these automatic kettles, by the way. Really nice. Just give it a little swirl. Wait about, 15 to 30 seconds. I just want to extract some of the tea flavors. And I have this saffron maybe once a week. It's really good for you. If you're working in a restaurant or food service establishment, you ought to pick some up. Great for household use too. You can share this. This is probably a couple hundred servings in here. But you can share this tea. You can share this saffron with all kinds of people in your family. This right here is enough to make sauce, say with steamed mussels with a saffron cream sauce or something like that, paella. This is enough for 6 people easily. Anyway, the next thing I like to do is add a pinch of saffron and let it steep. It only takes a few seconds. That's enough for a good, healthy serving. And I want you to see, I'm going to zoom in, I want you to see how much color is released so quickly. It's amazing. All right. I'm actually going to have to pick it up and get it right in front of the camera here. Okay, look at all that color that's coming off that saffron. Kind of floats, some of it settles down to the bottom. But wow, massive yellow coloring. So the last thing I like to do for all my tea is always add a little bit of honey. So we're going to put a generous amount of honey right here and stir it up. And sometimes I cool it off, a little ice cube or a little cold water. But that's it, saffron tea. The healing properties, the medicinal properties are amazing. Really, really good for you. Fights cancer, good for your immune system, circulation, all kinds of things like that. Anyway, wanted to show that to you, and you need to experience this because just the smell and the flavor of this saffron is unbelievable. And when you combine it in something like a nice tea, it really energizes you. Wow, that is serious saffron tea. Check it out. It's all in stock, chefdepot.com. Have a great day.